Durable, long-lasting design. Made from heavy-duty cast iron, this oyster grill pan is built to last and ready to go when you are. Non-stick coating allows for simple upkeep and maintenance, as well as easy release. This also makes it easy to clean, so you can spend less time cooking, and more time enjoying. 12 oyster capability. Capable of grilling up to 12 individual oysters at once, either on the half shell or shucked. Also great for serving. Multi-purpose function. In addition to oysters, this pan is perfect for cooking and serving countless other goods. Consider using it to make cornbread, mac and cheese, drop biscuits, and more. MESAUREMENTS. This grill pan weighs 8.6 pounds and has dimensions of 13.25 by 19.25 by 1 inch. The world is your oyster. Okay, maybe not the whole world, but this pan is your oyster. Use this versatile 12-section pan to grill oysters on the half shell or shucked. Constructed of heavy-duty cast iron, it features a seasoned, non-stick coating for easy release and cleaning. You can also use it to make single-serving mac cheese, drop biscuits, mini cornbread, and more. Fire up your creativity. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality, heavy-duty cast iron. This will last forever. It's heavy-duty like you want your cast iron pans to be. I used it to smoke large sea scallops in garlic, butter, and other ingredients. The pan did its job perfectly. Before using it the first time, I seasoned it with lard per the included instructions. I wish I had used more lard or even vegetable oil for a more uniformed, less spotted seasoning, but it works just fine anyway. I am ordering more scallops from Maine today, so I can use this pan again.